Hey, it's Bey, and I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 4th generation and the Smart Folio keyboard. Before you go typing in the comments on why I didn't get the Magic Keyboard, I actually did. It just hasn't come in yet, and it's taking forever. My local Target had the Smart Keyboard Folio in stock for the iPad, so I just decided to purchase it and use it in the meantime. I'm also planning on comparing the two keyboards, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you want to see that video. The last iPad I had was the 2018 budget iPad, and this was a huge step up. My focus with the last iPad was mostly for entertainment, so stuff like watching YouTube videos and playing games. However, I started using my iPad a lot more for YouTube, and I'm planning to start up a business with the iPad as my main device. This iPad Pro was the only one left at my local Target, which was the 12.9-inch silver with 250GB of storage. I would have gone for the 512GB option, but good thing it wasn't there because I would have spent a lot more money. The first thing I noticed compared to my old iPad is the 120Hz refresh rate. It makes the iPad feel so much more snappy and just makes everything more enjoyable. There's also much more screen and less bezel, which I really like, but there's just enough bezel to have a comfortable grip. On my iPad, I have the Switch Easy Cover Buddy case, and I love it because it's compatible with the Smart Keyboard Folio as well as the Magic Keyboard. I really like it because if you ever decide to use your iPad without a keyboard, you'll still have a bit of protection. You might have already noticed my Apple Pencil. I of course had to pick up the 2nd generation Apple Pencil with the iPad because it complements the iPad very well. You can use it to draw, take notes, edit photos, and more. I have a dbrand skin on it and it's pretty cool even though I did a horrible job on applying the skin. The Smart Keyboard Folio is great. It's powered through the smart connectors on the back of the iPad, so there's no need to charge it. You get 2 different viewing angles, and the iPad is held on by magnets so you can attach and remove the keyboard very easily. The typing experience is pretty good as well, and I have no complaints at all considering how low profile the keys are. In addition to the case I have on my iPad, I also have a tempered glass screen protector, and they both fit in the Smart Keyboard Folio. I ordered the paper-like screen protector quite a while ago, but it hasn't even shipped yet, I'm assuming because of what's going on right now. That's pretty much it. I can't wait to get the Magic Keyboard in, and it should be coming in soon. I'll definitely make a video on it, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the setup that I have now. All I'm missing now is the trackpad. I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing and my first impressions of the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 4th generation and the Smart Keyboard Folio. I'll leave links to everything in the description, and please make sure to click on them if you want to help support the channel. You know what's up. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.